Hello there, sovereigns. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own deodorant using things that you can find in your kitchen, plus essential oils, of course. What you need is a freshly boiled kettle. You need a larger bowl and a smaller bowl. You need some coconut oil. You only need a spoon of that, you don't need a massive jar. This is bicarbonate of soda. I've got a selection of essential oils, although I'm actually just going to use one. Measuring spoon, stirring spoon, teaspoon, and this is an old jar of firming neck gel, because it really works, doesn't it, that stuff. Right, so what I'm going to do is going to get my smaller bowl, and I'm going to get a spoonful of coconut oil. And I've got a teaspoon here, that's about all I need. That goes in the little bowl. And into the larger bowl, I'm going to pour the freshly boiled water. Just a little bit in the bottom, doesn't need to be a lot, because all we're doing is just melting this coconut oil. So just keep stirring that round. Stirring that. That is all melted. And then to my melted coconut oil I'm going to add a level tablespoonful of bicarbonate of soda. I'm going to stir that in. So I've stirred that in. You can see that that's a nice thick paste. And now I'm going to add some essential oil in. And now I'm going to add bergamot essential oil. And I'm going to add 15 drops of this in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's it. Use a maximum of 15 drops essential oil. You could use 5 drops each of 3 different essential oils, or 7 drops each of 2 different essential oils. Use oils you like and that don't irritate your skin. And I'm going to stir that in. Oh, that's beautiful. Can you see the paste there? Not really, not without me spilling it everywhere. Yummy. And that's it. I'm going to put this in my little jar. Here we go. I'm just going to pour it in. And I'm just going to get my little screwdriver just to get every drop in. Oops, spilled it. And that, my friends, my sovereigns, is that. So I'm just going to leave that to cool. I'll leave it out and then I'll put it in the fridge. There it is. And when it's solid, I'll show you how to use it. It's very easy and you don't need much at all, and that will last you a good few months, if not a year. Alright. Okay, so it's been in the fridge and it's all nice and firm. It's not going to spill out anywhere now. And I'm just going to get a little bit. It's actually a bit too cold. Normally when it's kept at room temperature it's a bit sort of crumbly at the moment. Anyway, I've scraped it with the back of my nail and that's all I'm going to use. Rub it into my fingertips. Rub it in my armpits. That's it. Done. That's how you use it. Enjoy. Let me know how you get on.